Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through how to use the function to disable a lost key and erase its key ID code. Using the SM device with a key that has already been synchronized with the vehicle. In this video, I have prepared everything needed to use this function, including a CCU pin and a key that has already been synchronized, along with accessory devices and a smartphone screen for connection. Now I will perform the function on the screen. Please follow along. First, I will check the synchronization to see whether this key has already been paired with the SC. Okay, the key has already been registered. After completing the check, we'll now go to the off option to disable off. We will follow the instructions on the screen. Now we will enter the key ID that has already been synchronized with the SC. Shows that OFF was successful. I will guide you on how to use the Key ID deletion function. Select the Delete Key ID function and follow the on-screen instructions. The delete function requires a 3-wire connection with pins. After reading the information, you can now select the key ID you want to delete. With this function, you can delete from the selected key ID up to key ID 6. In this video, I will select key ID 2 to delete all key IDs from 2 to 6. Key ID 1 cannot be deleted. After the deletion is complete, go back and read the key ID to check. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Goodbye.